In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Microsoft Copilot settings to their default state. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to locate the settings within Microsoft Copilot. Typically, you can find these by opening the application and looking for a settings icon, which usually resembles a gear or a small wrench. Clicking on this will open up the settings menu. If you have any trouble finding it, remember that settings are generally housed within the upper right or left corner of your screen, often labeled clearly as Settings or Preferences. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the settings layout, as this can be helpful for making future adjustments. Next, we need to find the Reset to Default option. This step is crucial if you want to restore all settings to their original state. The Reset to Default button is usually found within the General or Advanced Settings tabs. It might appear as a small button or a clickable link, sometimes highlighted to draw your attention. Keep in mind this action will revert all changes you may have made, returning each configuration to the standard Microsoft Copilot setup. It's a great way to troubleshoot if things haven't been functioning as expected. Now, once you've found the option, you'll need to confirm the reset action. Typically, after clicking Reset to Default, you'll be prompted with a message box asking for confirmation. This action ensures that no changes are made accidentally. Carefully read any instructions or warnings that appear in the dialog box. Confirm you wish to proceed with the reset. Remember, once this process is completed, you won't be able to recover previous settings without reapplying them manually, so make sure you're absolutely ready to proceed. After confirming your reset action, the next step is to restart the Microsoft Copilot application. Closing and reopening the app allows all changes made to apply fully, initiating a fresh and default process for your software. Simply close the app using the close button or by quitting from the main menu. For thoroughness, you may also want to restart your entire system, although this is not always necessary. Upon reopening the app, you should notice that all settings have returned to their defaults. If you experience any issues, double-check each step to ensure everything was completed properly. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Copilot is back to its factory settings, which can be a helpful tool for troubleshooting or simply starting fresh. By understanding and executing these steps, you ensure a clean slate for your interactions, enhancing your overall experience with the software dramatically.